Good morning, children. Today we start online class for class 7. Children, in previous class we have discussed acids and bases in clear. Once again we recall, children, what are acids? Acids are sour to taste. Acids are sour to taste. Sour to taste. Next, when you keep any blue litmus paper in the acid, it turns red. Turns red. Litmus red. One of the example is hydrochloric acid, HCl. Okay, children. Along with these acids, there are some acids which are present in vegetables, fruits. There are many acids, children. Apple contains malic acid, tea contains tannic acid. Next, many acids. We'll see what are basics. Bases. What are bases? Bases are slopy or slippery. Bases are slippery to touch. Next, they taste bitter. Bases taste bitter. And when you dip the litmus in the bases solution, it turns blue. Means turning litmus blue. We discussed up to here, children. Right now we'll see children, every food material contains individual taste. Yes or no, children? We know a lot variety of food materials, we know that. All the food materials taste sweet or all the food materials taste bitter? No. Each and every food item what we eat contains a different taste. Some are spicy, some are salty, some are bitter, and some are sweet. Okay, children, we'll see what sweet. Okay, sweet is a taste. If I ask you any of your favorite food item, you will say one of the sweet, children. Then you like to or you wish to eat the sweet items or bittery items all the time? No, you don't want to eat all these kinds of. You will take regular intervals of different type. Means it contains sweet, spicy, salty, everything, children. Okay, sweet. The category of foods which comes under sweet are, you know that, jaggery. Next, sugar. And fruits. Fruits also contain sweet. Next, water sour. All acids contain sour, we discussed. One of them is lemon juice. Next, grape juice also contains some sour. Grape juice. Children, next, what is bitter? See, children, you know soap nuts. They taste bitter. Next, ribbed ground. Next, bitter ground. See, children, along with these salt means iodized salt. We know that we get salt from the oceans. And next one is spicy. All cloves, tamarind, these all the objects or materials that taste spicy, children. You know, red chilies, all these. Right now we'll discuss activity, children. Means we discuss taste. Why discuss? Every food item has its own taste, children. Every food item has its own food item. So for the purpose of taste, we described each and every food material, children. Only for that purpose. We'll see activity 1. Let us do. So, children, for this you need to take a turmeric powder. You know turmeric powder. Take a little quantity of turmeric powder and put 2 to 3 drops of water into it. Means take a turmeric powder add 2 to 3 drops of water to the turmeric. Then you mix and prepare like it a paste, solid paste. Then take a white paper and apply this turmeric paste on that white paper. Means suppose this is a white paper. Then apply the turmeric paste onto this white paper. Right now, by using your pencil, draw a flower. Okay, draw a flower like this. By using your pencil, draw a flower on the turmeric paste on the paper, children. Right now, you want to take soap water. You know what is soap water? Soap water is nothing but this is a base, children. Base means what? Base? It is slippery to touch. It tastes bitter, and when you keep the litmus, it turns into blue, children. Understand, children? Right now, you apply soap water onto this flower by using a brush. Apply soap water onto this flower. Then what happens? You know, the color of the turmeric paste, means the turmeric paste indicates the color of the flower. If suppose you have drawn with a pencil with a black color, when you apply the soap water on it, what will happen? You know, it changes into blue, children. Means the flower appears as a blue color. The flower appears in blue color. Right now, take lemon water or lime water. Okay, lemon water or lime water. Again, you apply on this flower by using a brush. Then what you will observe? You know, you will observe that the flower again changes into red color. Here changes red. Understand, children? Why in these two cases it changed the color? Because you are applying both bases and acids. Okay, here there is no turmeric paper, no sir. Why the color has been changed? It is only due to the turmeric paste. Because turmeric paste, whatever the paste you applied on this paper, acts as a indicator. Children, you know phenolphthalein solution, next orange indicator, and turmeric paste. These are all the natural indicators. You can also call it as a universal indicator. What is indicator? Indicator is nothing but it simply shows or determines. It indicates because it is indicating. The turmeric paste indicates the color of the flower. When you put the base, it changes blue. When you put the lemon water or lime water, it changes red. Understand, children? The turmeric paste, what you apply on the paper, acts as an indicator, children. Understand? We'll discuss the next topic in the next class, children. Thank you.